This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable the automatic screen lock in the Pop! OS operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To disable the automatic screen lock in Pop! OS, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to my little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy. Then on the left side pane, you want to click on Screen. Then on the center pane, the top thing is Blank Screen Delay. The second thing, Automatic Screen Lock. By default, it's probably enabled, but you could toggle it off right here. Or if you choose to have it on, down below that, Automatic Screen Lock Delay, period, after the screen blanks when your screen is automatically locked. You can change that right here if you leave it on, but to disable it, you toggle it off right here. That is how to disable automatic screen lock on Pop! OS. Thanks for watching.